Good day, grade 11 students. So now we are going to start with the first lesson of Empowerment Technologies, which is all about the introduction to information and communication technology, or the so-called ICT. So to start, let us define first what is ICT, or Information and Communication Technology. So ICT deals with the different use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, telephone, internet to locate, save, send, and edit information. So sa madaling sabi, kapag sinabi nating ICT, ito yung mga communication technology, yung technologies na ginagamit natin to communicate. So hindi lang siya basta technology. Ano po? So when we make a video call, we use the internet. Diba? Kapag halimbawa gusto natin makapag-video chat. So when we send text message or make a call, we use our cellular phones or the cellular networks. And sometimes we use landlines that uses telephone networks. So having a unified way to communicate is one of the goals of ICT. So kumbaga kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng continuous improvement when it comes to communication technology is because of we want to have a unified way on communication or in communicating. So it normally costs us, before it normally cost us a peso to send a message, di ba? So kung babalikan natin kapag magte-text tayo, maglo-load tayo, kailangan kada text may kaltas siyang piso kung hindi tayo naka-enroll sa promos ng ating SIM. But with the internet, we can send multiple messages and we only charge a fraction. So sa pagtagal, so nauso na yung ating messenger, nauso na yung akong baga sa Facebook, and because of that, we spend less because of the improvements in ICT. So hindi na natin kailangan kumbaga mag-load para lang makapag-send agad ng message. So kumbaga meron tayong tinatawag yung free data. Ano po? So tingnan natin ano nga ba ang lagay ng ICT sa Philippines. So several international companies dub the Philippines as the ICT hub of Asia. So it is no secret that there is a huge growth of ICT-related jobs around the country, one of which is the call center or the BPO or the Business Process Outsourcing Centers. So tinagurian or tinawag po ang Philippines na ICT Hub of Asia kasi maraming mga trabaho dito sa ating bansa ang related sa ICT. And isa na rin nga diyan ay yung ating mga call centers or yung ating BPO. So according to the 2013 edition of Measuring the Information Society by the International Telecommunication Union, there are 106.8 cell phones per 100 Filipinos in 2012. So kinandak yung survey na yan in 2012 and napag-alaman na sa bawat 100 Pilipino, merong kumbaga lahat sila ay may kanya-kanyang cellphone, and then at the same time, meron diyang mga 6 or 7 Filipinos na dalawa ang ginagamit na cellphone. And in the data gathered by the annual survey of Philippine business and industries in 2010, the ICT industry shares 19.3% of the total employment population here in the Philippines. So kaugnay nung deklara na tayo ay isang ICT Hub of Asia, so merong kumbaga 19.3% of the total employment ay related sa ICT. And the Time magazines, the selfiest cities around the world of 2013 places 2 cities in the Philippines in top 1 and top 10 spots. So that is noong 2013. So yung may pinakamadaming beses na mag-selfie. So ito po yung pagsa-selfie ha. So top 1 and top 10 po ay galing sa Pilipinas. So yan po ang Cebu at saka ang Makati. So Cebu ang top 1 na may pinakamaraming selfie, and then pang-10 ang Makati. So ano-ano nga ba yung uses ng ICT sa iba't ibang larangan? So unang-una, maraming gamit ang ICT in the field of education. So computers at home for research and learning by students and for doing reports, especially now that we are facing, since we are facing this pandemic. So since last year pa, ito na yung ginagamit natin, nagkaroon tayo ng online classes. Ayan. So nandiyan yung online instructions or e-courses. So kumbaga yung sa e-courses natin, pwedeng online yung pag-attend natin ng klase, then magkakaroon tayo ng diploma. So hindi naman lahat ng courses ay gano'n. Ano po? And then sa ICT then, we can also use yung sa information technologies, yung schools database, na kung saan hindi na kailangan kumbaga ng bata na or ng parent na pumunta ng school para kumuha ng card. So pwedeng merong database yung school and then doon na nila titingnan kung ano yung kanilang grades. Ano po? Then aside from that, so the students or teachers can use yung information technologies na to type reports or do their assignments, and they can communicate with each other. And so ICT can be used in other fields, just like in commerce. So shops and supermarkets use a software which calculates the bills and efficiently processes both cash and credit transactions. So information technology tayo dito kung mas madali kumbaga para sa mga supermarket stores na makapag-calculate ng kanilang bills. So hindi na siya kumbaga mano-mano yung pagko-compute. And then online shopping, lalo na ngayon, uso ang online shopping. So online shopping provides a lot of choices for items and pricing from various sources, as well as the convenience of doing everything at home. So since nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic, so kumbaga mas tinatangkilik ngayon ng karamihan ang pag-online shop. So nandiyan yung mga Shopee, yung Lazada, and other forms of online business. And also, yung travel and hotel booking. So although sa panahon ngayon ay hindi na siya kumbaga hindi gaanong nagagamit natin yung pag-travel, pero yung ICT ay ginagamit pa rin siya sa pag-travel. So hotel and housings are also served using the internet, and cheap travels are booked online. So kapag gusto nating mag-travel, so normally ang ginagawa natin ay magbo-book tayo online, or kumbaga mag-i-inquire tayo online para pagdating natin doon sa hotel na yun or sa area na yun ay madali yung kumbaga pagpo-process natin. And of course, nandiyan yung mga online maps natin. So yung Google Maps natin, so madali para sa atin na mag-travel because of this of the applications na meron tayo ngayon. And